Good evening and welcome back to the never-ending saga of the monster in the back room with me and Alfie. Not sure where he is today. I wonder where he's got to. Ah! Hello! Come on in. Say hello. Say good morning. What time is it, Al? 2 in the morning, isn't it? Yeah. What have we been up to? We've been making lots of noises today, haven't we? And is that your tail? Yeah. You're a bit tired, aren't you? Basically, what happened today was we ended up reconstructing the design quite considerably. Based on some research that I did with, and there's a lot of research going on, by the way, some research I did with a company in Cornwall that looks pretty impressive, and I think what I was looking for was some examples of some really good results, and they have a series of videos that show exactly what I want, to be honest with you. But what they've done is they've taken the concept of rigidity to the nth degree. I think they call it the muscle machine. And they've taken the gantry and fixed it, basically, to the base, and then they've moved the table. So I'm in the process of redesigning. Excuse me a second. Just move forward a little bit because Alfie's not comfortable. How you doing? And redesign it a little bit so that we can move a table. This effectively, this part here will be extended to 1/3 of the distance of the base, and the reason being that if you put it in the middle and you move it forward, calm down. Will I lie down? Okay. If you put it in the middle, yeah, all right, matey. Oh yeah. Yeah, you carry on. You carry on. You be centre of attention. Everybody loves you. Yeah. If you put it in the middle and then you drive it forward, it covers the first third. In the middle, it's obviously the second third. And then if you reverse it back to the rear of the base, it becomes the third part of the base. And it's 600 long, so that will give me 200 that's moving about, and to me that's adequate. I don't think I would be making anything that's longer than that, so that was the idea. So what I did, what I did was take a ball screw temporarily and fix it on the base, and then move the rails yet again, these are the rails again, onto the top and line them all up, trued them up and dialed them in, and made sure they were absolutely parallel, because that's critical. There is no allowance for any error between the distance between this one and the far one, because as it moves back, if it's not parallel or the distance isn't correct for the mounts, for the carriers, then it will lock up, because it's on ball bearings and they're quite sensitive. There isn't as much flexibility with this type of linear rail as there is with the circular one, but it is far more rigid, and that's what we're aiming for. So anyway, the two, as you can see, I've started to take the gantry apart. That's all coming down. These I left up because I couldn't be bothered to take them off just at the moment as I was testing. Most of the ball screw, which you can probably not see in the middle of the machine, is just fixed there temporarily with brackets and bits of sticky tape. I kind of like bits of sticky tape. Double-sided tape. Brilliant stuff. So that's what I've done tonight. Put that all together and just give you a quick demonstration before we go to bed, because it's 2 o'clock in the morning, and I've got to go to work tomorrow for one day of the week. So I've got the controller back again, and just give you some idea. I've got it on slow. At the moment, I will build up the speed once I've got everything lined up and fixed down. There's not much point in whizzing it down and breaking something. But just to give you some idea of how. Do you want to do this, Alf? You don't like this, do you? Here we go. So the plan is to, as I say, move the table and keep everything else the same place. That means that I can put the motor, the cutter motor, the spindle. I can. Yeah, I really wanted a bath. I did need a bath. Do you think I need a bath? How about defleeing my beard? Do you want to do that? Can we calm down for a minute while I talk? Do you think? Okay. Yes, I love you too. The idea is to keep the motor very, very, very rigid. That means that it can cut quite substantial stuff. And I looked at some of the demo videos, and they are quite impressive. So that's the idea. Fix the motor, and then the motor sits in the middle of this huge frame. And just goes up and down and backwards and forwards, and on a very rigid structure, and hopefully that will be the final iteration or final version of. Do behind me ears. I got a little tickle behind me ears. You get. Anyway, I think we better get on with this before he Alfie, stop it. Right, ready? So I'm just going to run it forward and back again, just to give you a clue about what's gonna happen. And as you can see, it's pretty smooth. There is no vibration. See this up? Look, and I can change direction quite quickly. And there is no backlash at all. Yes, I'll put you on the top of there in a minute. I'm going to put you on the top of there so you can go round and round in a carousel. Yes. Say hello to everybody. So that's the plan. Oh, what's that doing? What's that noise? Can you see? Isn't that fun? Oh, shit. Wasn't watching where I was going, nearly drove it off the end. So I think this is going to work. And if you can imagine a framework around that, so that this is moving underneath the cutter rather than the cutter moving backwards and forwards down the axis, that would be much more rigid, and it's eminently more suited to. Let me just run that back to the back so I can see everyone. The clunking noise here and the motor going up and down, held together by bits of sticky tape. Everything else. See? Right. So that's video 15 for the progress we've made today. There was a lot of other stuff we've made today. More orders for, wasn't it? More bits of metal. Bits for the x-axis and the z-axis came today, so hopefully Thursday the next video should show some more progress. But that's all for tonight now. Let's say goodbye. Let's say goodbye. Big fat belly. It's wonderful, isn't it? You enjoy this, don't you, with your dad? Off you get then. Come on, Smelly. Let's go back to bed. There you go. Oh.